In the world of infrastructure, trust is built through commitment and excellence is achieved through quality. At Steelbuild Infra Projects, these principles form the foundation of everything we do. Steel is more than a material. It is strength that supports industries, precision that shapes infrastructure, and trust that stands the test of time. We don't simply fabricate steel structures. We create the framework that powers growth. Excellence begins long before a structure reaches a project site. It begins with engineering expertise, advanced manufacturing, and an uncompromising commitment to quality. Across our manufacturing facilities at Halalpur and Katwal, every process is designed to deliver precision, reliability, and performance. From raw steel to finished structures, every component reflects our dedication to excellence.
At Steelbuild Infra Projects, we are driven by commitment and quality to customer satisfaction. We believe that every project is a promise of quality, workmanship, timely delivery, safety and transparency. Our client places their trust in us and we honor that trust through dedication, innovation and an unwavering focus on results. Our success is built on strong relationship, a passionate team and a customer-first approach.
Built for scale, engineered for efficiency, equipped with a manufacturing capacity of 4,000 metric tons per month, Steelbuild is positioned to execute projects of significant size and complexity. Our integrated capabilities enable us to meet demanding timelines while maintaining the highest standards of quality and safety. The structures we build serve industries that drive economic progress: manufacturing, warehousing, logistics, commercial development, infrastructure. Every project represents a commitment fulfilled, a challenge accepted, and a promise delivered. Behind every successful project is a team driven by passion and purpose. Engineers who solve challenges, professionals who manage execution, skilled craftsmen who transform steel into structures. Together, they embody the values that define Steelbuild: commitment, integrity, quality, excellence.
At Steelbuild Infra, our focus is on delivering high-quality steel structure with speed, precision and reliability. With advanced production facility and strict quality control at every stage, we ensure every project meets the highest standard of strength, accuracy and performance. Our automated manufacturing system and skilled team help us maintain consistency in every component we produce, from raw material inspection to final dispatch. Every process is monitored with complete attention to quality and safety.
For us, success is not measured solely by tons fabricated. It is measured by relationships built, by trust earned, and by the confidence our clients place in us project after project. Our customer-first approach ensures transparency, responsiveness, and long-term partnerships. As India continues its remarkable growth journey, Steelbuild stands ready to contribute to the nation's transformation. With strong manufacturing infrastructure, advanced technology, and a highly capable team, we are prepared for the opportunities of tomorrow. Our vision is clear: to be among India's most trusted and admired steel structure companies. to set new benchmarks in quality and innovation, and to create lasting value for clients, employees, and stakeholders.
As we continue to grow, our mission remains the same: to work with supremacy, to stand out from the crowd by satisfying the customer's requirement by providing quality services.
Strength is not measured by steel alone. It is measured by vision, by commitment, by trust. Steelbuild Infra Projects. Building strength, creating landmarks, shaping the future.